this poem Run, we will see the explanation of the poem, the word meaning, rhyming words, and the sentence formation. Now let's get started. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? This is a busy street where we can see traffic congestion and tall buildings. Do you have free space for playing? No, there is no free space for playing. Now, look at this picture. What do you see here? This is a village where we can see children playing. They have enough free space for playing. Now, what are the things we can see here in this picture? We can see a bullock cart, tree, meadow, lane, hillside, etc. What are these children doing? They are running. And which are the places they can run? They can run down the hillside, through the meadow, beneath the tree, and up the lane. Do you like to race with other children? Can you race with the wind and the breeze? Now let's read the poem and see if you can actually do it or not. We'll read the poem Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. The poet is asking the children to run. She is asking them to go away from the city towards the countryside. Now, we have already seen that in the city we do not have enough space to play, but in villages and countryside, the children find enough space to run with friends and play. They can find clear sky and shining sun. There are no tall buildings and traffic congestion like in big cities. Now let's read the second stanza. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Now the poet is asking the children to run even in the raindrops, even when it is raining. She is asking them to enjoy the rain while running. She is asking them, the children, to run in the shadows of trees and to have a competition of racing with none other than the wind, as it will make them even more energetic and give them the feeling of achievement. And who doesn't like to win, isn't it? Have you ever tried this? It's too much fun. Now, let's read the third stanza. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Now here, the poet is asking the children to have fun while running down the hillside, where we can roll down the hill like a ball. She is asking them to enjoy running up the lane and through the meadows, which are a piece of grassland. You can find animals grazing and then run back to your home. Now let's read the last stanza. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. In this stanza, the poet says that while running all around, you will be cheerful all through the day. She emphasizes on the fact that we can be more cheerful and happy if we run, because running is the simplest way to exercise. Now children, I'll tell you a summary of the poem in short. Now the poet Mary Dane lays stress on the importance of running, which can be joyful. At the same time, she asks the children to run and enjoy themselves. She asks them to move away from the crowded cities towards the countryside or villages to enjoy the vast field. According to her, running can be enjoyed in every weather. So she tells them to run in the rain and under the trees. She calls them out to run the hillside, up the lane, to the meadow, and then back again. The poet urges them to run throughout the day, so that they can rejoice and be happy. They can become stronger to handle the challenges of life, and success will come easier to those who can adopt such a lifestyle. So, children, start running from today onwards. Now, let's see the rhyming words of the poem. You all know that words with similar sounds are rhyming words. So, in the first stanza, the rhyming word of sun is run. In the second stanza, the rhyming word of trees is breeze. When we come to the third stanza, the rhyming word for lane is again. And in the last stanza, the rhyming word of day is away. Now, the word meanings. The first word, raindrops, meaning drops of rain. Sentence, the sound of raindrops can be heard under the umbrella. The second word, beneath. Here, the word be is silent, meaning under something or at a lower level. Sentence, we took shelter beneath a huge tree. The next word, breeze, meaning a gentle wind. And the sentence, she let the gentle breeze cool her face. The next word, hillside, meaning the side of a hill. A sentence, beautiful flowers grew along the hillside. The next word, meadow, meaning a piece of grassland. Sentence, I saw crows grazing in the meadow. The next word, merry, meaning cheerful or laughter. Sentence, everyone was merry at the party. Now I have included one more word, country. Now why I have included this word here is because country doesn't mean India or US or Australia. Here country means land that is not in towns and cities and is either used for farming or left in its natural condition. The sentence could be, country life is better than city life. Do you know, children? Regular running offers many health benefits. It doesn't cost a lot to take part. One run can change your day and many runs can change your life. I hope you have understood the summary and also emphasize the importance of running in your life. So children, stay healthy and stay happy. Till we meet in the next class, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, and thank you for now.